Hey guys, we are in Riccione, 48 hours, and yeah, let me show you a little bit of Riccione, how it looks like, and yeah, enjoy. Walking here in Riccione, look how nice it is. Full of people. August, very nice. Doing some sailing exercises here, very nice. Just had a nice walk here. It's here is Cattolica. It's not Riccione here. I think it's yeah, 2 kilometers walk here on the beach. Very nice, especially for children, families. It's amazing here. Very cool. Come over now. Very nice here. Water is very clean today. Amazing. Hey Amy. Hey guys, walking here at Riccione, lungomare. One bagno spiaggia after the other. The principle is here, you go to a bagno spiaggia, you rent an ombrellone and sdraio, then you have coffee, drinks, you have as well pools here, as you can see here. You can rent some bikes, and this is how it works here. Pretty nice, comfortable as well. You have all kinds of commodities there, food, drinks, cocktails, everything. As well, somehow they have as well, they propose some spa, that means massage, whatever it is, you know, for your wife, for the face and stuff like this. Yeah. Try it out. Very nice here. Hey guys. It's very windy here in Riccione. Look at that nice ocean. Very nice. Windy, but nice. I hope you can hear me without microphone. Hey guys, morning routine here in Riccione, walking at the beach. We're gonna have to do it. How you like Riccione, honey?
I like it.
She's talking. She likes. It's nice. Look at that. Catch you later. Look at this. That's a lifeguard here. How it looks. Wow, sound is very hot. Jumping in the water. So guys, going back to the huddle, packing the car, and see you maybe a few weeks or maybe next year. Ciao Riccione, ciao ciao.